In this video, you will get to know about the most profitable sites for a print-on-demand business. Hi guys, my name is RJ Martinez, and I'm here to tell you guys about the sites which are best for POD business in terms of profit. I know that when it comes to making videos and talking about numbers and profit, you guys are very interested in learning about that. And I do make a lot of content on this channel about profits and stuff like that and how to actually do that yourself, right? Instead of talking about me, I actually produce the content to help you as an individual and help you learn it as best as possible, the viewer, right? That's my main concern, to help you make as much money on these platforms as possible. So I did the market research and I compared my stats on some of these platforms, right? And then some of these platforms I included it in this video just because I know that there is a high demand and there's big potential on that platform for profits. Now remember, these are in order by the way I feel personally about them. In my opinion, they're mixed up a little bit, but these are my top print-on-demand sites. Okay, they might be different from someone else, or you may have something that you may want to include or talk about in this video, and you're more than welcome to leave a comment down below to tell me your top print-on-demand website. That way others can learn from that too as well. All right, with that being said, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Number one, Merch by Amazon. The best site with the greatest numbers is going to be Merch by Amazon. I recommend starting with this business if you haven't already. It's the best when it comes to POD business. It's just an amazing opportunity that we have with Merch by Amazon. For 2021, I am on track to have the best year ever with Merch by Amazon. 2020 was an amazing year, but with 2021, it seems to be very consistent throughout the whole year of 2021 so far. So with that being said, this is why, one of the reasons why I make so much content on this channel talking about that, because I see the opportunity and I want you guys to win too. This website is very user-friendly. It's easy to use, easy to upload designs, easy to put designs on different products too as well. It can be done within minutes of you uploading a design, getting it up there, filling out, the listing and stuff like that and all that information, and then putting it live. Now, when you're putting it live on the platform, it can take anywhere between 1 to 3 days on average. Now, sometimes it can take 30 minutes. Sometimes it can take a whole week. Sometimes it can take a whole year for the product to go live if it glitches, right? It all depends, but for the most part, it's an easy 1 to 3 days, and then you have your product live on the platform to get traffic and get sales. Now, research is gonna be one of the most important things about that platform, and I do have a link right up here that I'll put right here, and I kind of go into detail about how to do research for a certain niche so you can increase the chances of you making a sale. Now you're thinking, why is Merch by Amazon the best print-on-demand website? And the answer is simple. It's free to use, and then not only that, you're leveraging the platform's audience. Amazon is like one of the biggest marketplaces when it comes to online shopping. So we get the opportunity to leverage that, and it's free. Come on. So it's one of the best websites, in my opinion, when it comes to any of these print-on-demand websites. You create the design and then you list it on the website, and it's viewed by millions of shoppers online. Now, one of the things that you may be getting from this video, that I make it seem that it's easy to be successful on Merch by Amazon, which it is, but it isn't, if that makes sense, because it does take work in order for you to be successful on any of these platforms, okay? So me listing out all these platforms for you doesn't mean it's gonna be easy to do, because there's a lot to learn on these platforms. And this is why I'm creating this video for you, to kind of understand, like, there's opportunity out there, but you have to learn the platform. How's a customer gonna find your product on that platform? So I started Merch by Amazon in 2016. I had the opportunity in front of me. I listed a few designs. I really didn't pay up too much attention to it. And then I started making sales with the few designs that I've uploaded. Now, over the years, there's more competition. They're getting aware of Merch by Amazon and creating accounts. So there's more competition. If there's more competition, you have to fine tune your research, right? And you're gonna hear me talk about research a lot in this video, but research is one of the most important things when it comes to selling on any of these platforms, okay? And design and, keyword research, all that stuff, it all goes hand in hand. Me making this video, I have over 75,000 products sold with my Merch by Amazon account. Just trial and error, putting up horrible designs that make sales, and they still sell to this day, and then putting up really good designs, right? And what I mean by that, it can be text, okay, text with a graphic, illustrations. So it all depends, and you're asking yourself which ones sell the best. It all depends, like the month, okay, the season, the holiday, stuff like that. That's what I mean. Like it could be Christmas and one design sells more in December than in February, right? And then there's a design that will sell in February more in February than in December, right? Because depending on the holiday, you know, the trend, and if it's an evergreen or a trending design, it all depends, right? So that really plays a role on like the way you approach the business and what designs you're designing for in each niche. Now, with them adding new marketplaces to Merch by Amazon account is a big game changer, because I'm starting to see an increase in sales in these other marketplaces, and I see the potential and how much money you can make in these other marketplaces if you just leverage that one design and publish it on all the marketplaces, right? So you're getting more views on that design, which in return, if you get a top seller with that design in a different marketplace, it can be a game changer, because you can make sales here, and then you can make sales in the US, you can make sales in the German market, right? So me noticing that it's very cool and very amazing that we have this opportunity. All right, so the next one is going to be Amazon Seller Central. There's a few different ways that you can actually sell on Amazon, and this is another way that you can sell on Amazon by printing a shirt or a product and sending it to a customer. It's a way of a print on demand on Amazon. Okay, so basically what you're doing is going to connect a third-party print provider to your Seller Central account, and then you're gonna basically do the listing that way. It's not going to be Amazon Prime, so you're gonna have to put, you know, your shipping dates and all that stuff like that. But one of the most important things is gonna need a GTIN exemption, right? And that is a video that I have to make on, right? So you can kind of get an understanding of what you need to do to get approved for that. It's pretty simple when you're creating a GTIN exemption. If you're unaware of that, and if you know how to do it, and you can, you know, you can put your designs on products or whatever products that you want to put on through Seller Central, and then listing them on Amazon. I personally don't do that, but there is a big demand for that, and you can make a ton of money doing that. So I focus more on, you know, Merch by Amazon and having these other, leveraging these platforms and leveraging their audience and making sales that way. Next one is going to be Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. This is a freaking awesome opportunity, right? It's free to sign up, so go sign up for a free account over there. I'm always gonna say this, I think there's more of a demand for a book than a shirt. So there's several different ways that you can approach this. You can create coloring books, you can create low content books, you can create notebooks, right? Now, with like, the easier the book, the more competition you're gonna have, okay? Say it again. The easier the book, the more competition you're gonna have. So if you're creating lined notebooks, there's a ton of people doing that, okay? So a lot of people, it's like, you can't make sales with KDPs because you're creating these easy, simple books. And the X is gonna be, you know, creating like log books, recipe books, coloring books. You can create a novel. If you can create a novel, awesome. There's like activity books, right? Dot to dot. There's so many different ways that you can approach this business. Okay, there's not just one way. There's so many different ways you can do this. Even business to business, right? B2B, create a book or some type of reservation book for like a hotel or any of the local businesses, like a beer tasting book or something like that, right? For any of these local breweries. There's a ton of them out here in San Diego. But KDP is very awesome. You don't have to hold no inventory. Customer purchases it on Amazon. You're leveraging Amazon's platform again for their audience. You create the book on KDP, you publish this on Amazon. Customer buys it, KDP prints and ships it to the customer. You're not taking care of none of that. No customer service, no inventory. None of that stuff. There's a ton of opportunity here, and you can see how powerful that is. And then once you get a top seller in a niche, that thing just turns and boom, boom, and it ranks and starts making sales, and you start getting reviews. It's freaking awesome, right? So it's a really, really amazing opportunity on Kindle Direct Publishing, and you should definitely take advantage of that. I do have an interior service business down below in the description. Start publishing your books, make it easier for you to basically create the interior. You just have to create the cover. I give you guys all the keywords as well for all these interiors, and basically show you how to create your first book on Kindle Direct Publishing. So check that out down below the description. All right, the next platform is going to be Redbubble. Redbubble is very similar to Merch by Amazon, but Merch by Amazon has more traffic and stuff like that. But Redbubble is a really awesome place where you can create unique products on, right? I think you can create from stickers all the way to hats, duffel bags, pins. There's so many different products that you can create on Redbubble, right? It's an amazing opportunity where you're just gonna upload your design on a product, and then you can leverage their customer purchases the product, Redbubble ships it to the customer. I sell random things over there. Okay, there's weird stuff that I sell, weird products that I sell over there, but they sell. So sometimes if the design doesn't sell on Amazon, it will sell on Redbubble. And that's another way of me making profits and leveraging the designs on different platforms and uploading them over there. Okay, so it kind of gets more views and it increases the opportunity of making a sale. Now Redbubble, you get paid once a month. Okay, so the payouts come out every once a month. The sales are pretty consistent over there. Okay, so, and just by me being in different Facebook groups and just watching people do certain things, sales are really consistent over there. Tags are very important. Okay, your title, all that stuff. So understand how a customer is going to search for your product on Redbubble. It's very important to creating your title and your tags and stuff like that. Okay, so Redbubble, check it out. All right, so the next one is going to be Etsy. Etsy is a friggin' really awesome platform. Me personally, I had my account suspended over there. That was a love-hate relationship right there, but it is a friggin' amazing platform that you can sell print-on-demand products to, okay? Terms and service, you have to be very careful over there. You have to follow the rules or you'll get your account suspended, or if you just do one thing, you mess up one thing, they'll suspend your account, so you have to be very careful. But the thing is, when they do it, they won't tell you, right? Etsy is an amazing opportunity. I know a ton of people that crush it over there. I had a lot of success over there. If you do everything correctly as far as making your shop feel like a brand, you'll make a ton of sales. This from the shop to the listing to the customer service, they love all that stuff. So if you make the customer feel at home when they jump on your shop, it makes it easier for them to make a purchase. You can make a ton of sales in a day over there. Okay, when I was doing Etsy, I was probably doing anywhere from 10 to 20 sales a day. Sometimes I was doing 50 sales a day. So understanding how the customer searches on Etsy and giving them what they want can be a big game changer, and the payouts can be really amazing over there if it's all done correctly. And you'll be connecting like a third-party service like Printful, Shirtly, Printify, any of these third-party companies. I recommend you do your research. Okay, I do have a Printful affiliate link down below in the description. You definitely want to check that out. Okay, make sure you use my link. The thing is, you want to make sure that you have your shipping times down and all that stuff right now. During some of the busiest seasons, right? Sometimes shipping times are way out. They can be anywhere from a month to 2 months. So you want to pay attention to that. You don't want to get in trouble. You don't want to get your account suspended because your shipping times are not on time. And then you have all these products being shipped out not on time. Customers get mad at you. I know a lot of people that they don't know what to do when they get a ton of inbox messages about, where's my product, where's my product? And this is part of the game when you're using like a third-party print provider, because it's out of your control, right? And then this is why a lot of people that I know have purchased their own printer and they started printing their own products and shipping it to their customer because they don't want to rely on any of these third-party print providers. Something to think about. Next one is going to be Teepublic. Okay, Teepublic is a really cool platform. So uploading, it makes it easy for you to upload your designs and stuff like that on certain products. They have a different layout on the platform, but there's a ton of good inspiration over there that you can go, when you're doing your research, check it out too, by the way. If you haven't done research on Teepublic, go check it out. It's a really awesome platform to do research on. It's a really amazing opportunity over there. You can make some money over there on Teepublic. Cool platform, it seems a little bit more artsy, like Redbubble in a way, but simple to sell over there. Okay, so Teepublic's a really cool platform. You see people in the groups posting stuff about how much they made and stuff like that over there. There's a good audience over there that you can leverage to make money on. I would definitely go check Teepublic out. Next one is going to be SpreadShirt. It's probably an underrated platform, one of my favorites, because Redbubble and SpreadShirt go neck and neck for me personally. You can definitely make consistent sales over there, but over there, it's an underrated platform, and I see them, what they're doing, and they're trying to make it a better platform, better experience for not only the seller, but the customer too as well. Okay, so SpreadShirt is an underrated platform that you can make a ton of money on that will pay your bills, okay? I'm not a ton of money, but I wanna say it'll pay your light bill or pay your utility bill, stuff like that. It can bring in anywhere between like 150 to 400 bucks a month, and it's consistent. And it all adds up too, by the way, okay? It all adds up. Next one is going to be Society6. Okay, Society6 is a good platform to get designs up on. I started uploading more designs this year on Society6, and I'm starting to get consistent sellers over there. It's a really cool platform. I know some people have been talking about how they had a lot of success over there. I'm starting to see some consistent sellers over there on that platform, which it kind of like, you can see this possibility over there and what you can bring in every single month. But Society6 is a freaking awesome platform. If you're not uploading over there, upload some designs over there, you know, get some sales and see what you think personally and see what you can do. But this platform right here, you can just sign up and get approved that same day to go start selling on. It's not like merch by Amazon where it's approval process. It can take, with merch by Amazon, it can take 3 months to a year. That's what I like to say. Some people are saying they get approved in a week. I'm like, how the heck are you even doing that? So I don't know how they're doing it, but they're doing it. And maybe Amazon loves them more than me, because it took me about 3 months to get approved. So I don't know. I do not know. But Society 6, if you haven't uploaded your designs over there, go upload them over there. See what kind of sales you get over there. Tell me what you do. Tell me what's going on, what type of sales you make over there. And if you enjoyed this video, check out my other video right here.